Ayan na!
At ang George Boracay naman ay dito sa Malay, Aklan. This is battle between Luzon and Visayas. Ang representative ng Amlan leg versus representative naman ng Bawan leg. So lahat po ng mga nagkarera dito
nasa kanan na ngayon ang Boracay.
Ng ating mga regionals. So hindi po nakakasali or sumasali or pwedeng sumali ang hindi po
Diyan banda, medyo malakas dyan.
nag-qualify sa regional championship. So that's why the national championship is usually held tuwing November or December because of the 2 months preparation prior to the national championship. Ang atin pong race sa regional ay nag-uumpisa tuwing March.
Okay.
And then natatapos po
Nangunguna
yan
ang
ng
Mustang.
September. So March, April,
ba?
May, June, July, August, September is the
Mustang
regional
ang
championship.
nangunguna.
And then October, November is the preparation for the nationals. So kaya very crucial talaga ang pagpili po ng ating mga venues, but we will be seeing to it that atin pong maiayos sa schedule, sa date ang schedule po ng ating national championship for the 2024 season. But it will be more exciting and more fun and then bigger. This is what you will be expecting for the 2024 season because additional category will be added and that is the drag race ng ating pong KTEC Open Drag Race Championship.
Okay. Pakihanda po, TCR 48 versus Anthony Rose 36. Pakihanda, followed by RC Warriors 8 versus George Boracay 54. 56 pala. TCR 48 versus Anthony Rose 36. Pakihanda na po.
So shout out po sa ating mga libo-libong nanonood sa telebisyon at sa kanilang mga cellphone. I hope we are giving you fun and excitement as you witness the history, the biggest pump boat racing championship in the history of boat racing. Not only because of the prize, but because of the number of participants and delegations coming from all over the Philippines. So naririto na po pinagsama-sama ang lahat ng mga professional riders, professional boat makers at saka professional mechanics. So kaya this 2023 season ay milestone na sa Bangkarera, sa history ng Bangkarera. Kaya maraming salamat sa mga nakantapay at nanonood.
Oh, ayan na!
So eto, humahabol.
Ayan na!
Humahabol, I think, ang George Boracay. Tama ba?
George Boracay, overtake.
Umovertake ang George Boracay. So talagang binakbakan na. Unang lumiko sa boya ay Mustang.
Nakadukot ang Mustang.
Dumukot ang Mustang.
Nauna na naman ang Mustang.
Dito humahanap ng magandang alon ang player para magkaroon ng chance na bakbakan at tumugot.
Oh. So sorry for Mustang. Sayang.